Luckily, I hold that have done really well. But other than that, no, life's cruising. Bitcoin looks good, and I think maybe some people are starting to believe the bull run might continue, Greeny. Whereas about a week ago, I reckon 80% of the people on the timeline were like, I haven't seen people freak out like that in quite some time, and I thought it was pretty crazy to see people freak out when Bitcoin was still above all-time high of last bull. It was like,
Yeah, exactly. And retested it and showed strength with the bounce there and incredible buying interest. Like in theory, like 74 grand for one BTC is probably cheap when you consider where it can obviously go in the future, Craig. So yeah, fantastic to see. It's yeah, like you say, a very bullish time.
I was like to when I speak to you.
Yeah.
But looking the other day when I went away, actually, sorry, it was last night when I was putting a bet on Myriad.
Yeah.
I looked at Solana and it bounced nicely. It
Did
went 150. That's a ripper trade.
Yeah, exactly.
2x.
So, yeah, you got to take advantage of those sort of opportunities. And I think a lot of people forget that you got to buy fear and sell greed. And I mean, you've been nailing it specifically on Bitcoin. You're probably one of the most notable people in terms of swing trading spot on BTC that I've seen on the timeline. Probably not a bad bet. Probably not a bad bet. So it's good to see you executing and GTG and us succeeding. I mean, we took profit at 98. We took profit at 108, Craig, after buying sub 30K. So like, we've nailed that. We've nailed multiple trends this cycle, and it's good to see you're still doing that.
So
Yeah,
shows the opportunities here, but no, I've been really happy with my bull run trading. I've messed up a few other trades, but look, that's part and parcel with this market. And anyone watching needs to understand that you and I don't hit 100%, not even really close, to be honest. You know, maybe in Bitcoin we hit pretty regularly, but meme coins and that we do miss.
So yeah, I think that does drop it down a bit. But if I look at like my exchanges, their win rates, it sits between 60 and 75% consistently. Like, where else can you guarantee that sort of returns? Like, it's insane.